Here I have a selection of cleaning accessories for the M1 rifle. I have a packet of unissued cleaning patches, 2 different types of cleaning brush, and a second variant of the combination tool. The combination tool has a movable screwdriver blade for adjusting the gas cylinder screw and other screws. The 2-prong blade is for the rear sight nut, and there is also a small projection for drifting out pins, and a hand extractor for removing spent cartridges that the extractor has failed to eject. Combination tool. The first type would have had a metal piece with a slot in it, so you can add the cleaning patches. The screwdriver head is here, and then I believe that is the extractor removal tool, and then that is for removing pins, I believe also, I'm not too sure. A packet of cleaning patches with them still in there, and then 2 different types of cleaning brush. Thanks for watching.